TESA Hotel Web Manager. Simple, convenient, flexible access control for your hotel. Why simple? Imagine a hotel with several management points. You install TESA Hotel software and the database on the server, and then client software on each dedicated PC too. Later, when maintenance or updates are needed, you must do the same again at every PC, one by one. It takes a lot of effort and too much time. The bigger the hotel, the greater the effort. There is a better way, TESA Hotel Web Manager. With TESA Hotel Web Manager, getting started is quick and simple. You install the software and database just once on the server. The rest of your management points now use the software via a web browser, which means no local software packages to install and no laborious PC by PC maintenance. With this simplified setup, check-in desks don't need computers, just terminals with access to TESA Hotel server. With TESA Hotel Web Manager, you save time, money, and headaches. Why convenient? With TESA Hotel Web Manager, you improve the check-in experience. Offer your guests a friendlier, smoother welcome. Guests don't need to stop at reception to check in. With TESA Hotel Web Manager, you can set up instant check-in points anywhere. All you need is an Ethernet connection and the iCoder to program a guest keycard. With TESA Hotel Web Manager, reception queues are a thing of the past, which means more 5-star reviews for your property. With TESA Hotel Web Manager, you save money. There's no need for a card encoder at every check-in point. Staff can easily share the iCoder, which means less hardware to buy, keeping your costs down. Just connect it to the network. It works at your terminals without any installation. With TESA Hotel Web Manager, you save time. With traditional client-based installation, actions like opening a matrix to update access rights can take some time. However, with TESA Hotel Web Manager, you do this in a fraction of the time. Savings quickly add up across the business. Why flexible? Client service solutions tie hotel managers to their office. They can't leave the premises or even their desk. This restricts their flexibility, mobility, and efficiency. TESA Hotel Web Manager keeps you in full control, anywhere, anytime. All you need is a device with a web browser. TESA Hotel Web Manager makes it easy to manage check-in remotely. With the Open Now app, you send staff or each guest a virtual key before they arrive. With just their smartphone, they enter the main door and go straight to their room. With TESA Check-in by PIN, they do the same thing with a PIN code. With TESA Hotel Web Manager, you can also cancel any credential anytime, update access rights over the air, open any door remotely, start global lockdown with a click, view audit trails in real time, set or respond to alerts instantly, and much more. TESA Hotel Web Manager is the convenient, secure, flexible access management solution that simplifies installation and frees hotel staff from their desks. To learn more, visit our website.